Okay, has he run away before?
This is 32-year-old Lashonda Wilder, and she's about to face the most devastating moment of her life. It all began the evening before her son was last seen, when he walked out of the house and never returned. Shortly after, police received a chilling 911 call from Lashonda Wilder.
Please, can I get a food here? My 8-year-old son ran away last night.
Okay, ma'am, you said 1044 Olmsted?
Yes, please.
You said he ran away last night?
Yes, I got her. We just got her about like 5 minutes ago. We came looking for him. And he's not in my house. He's not in my house, please. He
What's your
did
son's
it
name?
before. Martonio.
You said Martonio?
Martonio, yes, Martonio. Oh my
What's his
God,
last
please. Wilder. W-I-L-D-E-R.
He's 8 years old. What does he look like? Is he white, black, Hispanic? What's he wearing?
He's black. He's black. I don't know what he's wearing. I think his red and black Nikes are missing. I don't know what he had on. Nobody seen him leave. My other son, they got separate rooms, so they was in different rooms. Nobody seen him leave. Please. Please. I don't know what time it is.
You said he's what time? When was the last time you seen him?
We all went to bed at like 9:30, 10 o'clock. My back door was wide open.
Officers rushed to Lashonda's home, hoping to find any clue about what might have happened to her son. When officers arrived, Lashonda repeated the same account she had given during the 911 call.
Okay, has he run away before? Okay, have you checked the residence thoroughly? The missing is going to be 8 years old, male black, dark-skinned male black with a fade, black hair, brown eyes. He's short, about 75 pounds, break. He was last seen about 9:30, 10 o'clock last night when they went to bed. Mom got up about 11:48, noticed that the back door was open, and he's run away 3 times before. So if we can have units circulate some parks and areas around here, we're going to go ahead and search the house.
Inside the house, there were no clues, nothing at all. As time passed and night began to fall, the situation grew more urgent and increasingly critical.
I haven't seen nobody out when I walked around the house.
All right. Missing is an 8-year-old male black, and he was last seen about 9:30, 10 o'clock last night when everybody went to bed. Mom woke up this morning around, what time did she say? About 11:45, noticed that, her one son was gone. The rear door on the house was open. Mom says he has done this several times before. Mom is hysterical, and son does take medicine for ADHD. Didn't notice anything suspicious. I did clear the house. Didn't notice any suspicious things inside the house. No signs of forced entry. And I got units circulating the area right now for the juvenile. He's a little unruly, and there is a caseworker, and she's like, he probably got mad because she doesn't give him what he wants. So, and then he kind of has a habit of doing it, I guess.
Based on the information police had at that point, and with no evidence discovered yet, officers began going door to door, canvassing the neighborhood in hopes that someone had seen Antonio or could provide a lead.
Yes, sir. Have you seen him at all recently?
No, sir.
No? Thank you. Seen him recently? No? All right. I'm missing a kid. You seen him recently?
Is that the only picture?
Yeah, that's the recent one. Have you seen him recently?
Show him.
There were no clues, no leads, and as the hours passed, the situation became even more critical. But this is where the story takes a dark turn. That evening, police received a report that Lashonda and her girlfriend, Jana, had left the house without notifying authorities. It was their first major mistake, the first red flag. When officers were unable to locate Lashonda, they quickly obtained a search warrant and returned to the home. This time, the mystery began to unravel. What they found should never have been there. Hidden away in the attic were the remains of 8-year-old Martonio Wilder. His body had been wrapped in a trash bag and a sleeping bag. The most chilling details came from the autopsy. The coroner discovered a deep compression mark on Martonio's neck, clear evidence of strangulation. Bruising surrounded his eyes, nose, and mouth. Cuts and lacerations covered his face and back. There was bleeding on his brain, and his body was unnaturally thin, a haunting sign of prolonged suffering. With these devastating findings, the coroner had no doubt Martonio's death was a homicide. The missing child report had all been a lie, a desperate attempt by Lashonda and Jana to cover up the murder and escape. During the initial search, Lashonda had gotten lucky, but this time, there was no way out. Martonio's body had been found. The truth was exposed. With nowhere left to run, Lashonda turned herself in the following day. As for Jana, the police didn't wait. That same day, officers tracked her down at a family member's home and took her into custody.
Hi there.
I love you. I'm coming.
Okay, come on out. You Miss Lowe? Okay. I'm gonna put your hands behind your back, palms together like you're praying. I'm gonna detain you in handcuffs, okay? You got shoes on, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Step over here with me.
All right. Yeah. The girlfriend of Lashonda Wilder. I'm ready to talk to the detective.
Okay. Well, what we're gonna do is we're not gonna ask you really any questions. That'll be for the
I
detectives, okay? Here, do me a favor, bend over at the waist. We gotta get these bottom set of handcuffs off.
Like this?
Yep, and then spread your hands as much as you can. That way it's a little more comfortable for you.
Jana was arrested without any resistance, but her family's reaction, that's where the situation took an unexpected and unsettling turn.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
They're not here for you. They're not here for you.
Man, what's up, bro?
No one's here for you.
What's the problem? What's up, bro? I ain't about to play with you, bro. If you run up on me, I'm gonna knock one of y'all out, bro.
A phone can be a crucial piece of evidence. As officers moved to confiscate Jana's phone, the Lowe family did not make it easy.
I'm Sergeant with Columbus Police.
Okay. But that's fine.
Hey, so here's what's gonna happen, okay? We need Miss Lowe's cell phone. If somebody's okay, so what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Hey guys, I'm still talking, okay? What's gonna happen is I need everybody to leave the house because we're you have to immediately exit.
What are you talking about? And my kid here, what are you talking about?
Yeah, you can go in the car.
Man,
Anybody else want to know?
my bro.
Sorry! Sorry!
Hey, get off my get the off.
No! He ain't do nothing!
Stop! Roll it!
I can't!
Roll over! Roll over!
When resistance continued, police were left with no choice. Jana's mother, Mary Johnson, was placed under arrest.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
I'm under arrest!
You don't grab an officer's taser. What's wrong with you? You do not grab something on our belt.
Man, you...
What's wrong with you? We're gonna record that.
That's all. She got anything else on her? Get your hands out.
Quit reaching in your pants.
Get your hands out of here.
I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
Let's get her in the car. Let's go. Put her in ours. Spread your feet, please.
I'm in your car!
Ma'am, can you please spread your feet for me?
I got
We gotta make sure. Can
well,
you spread your feet
I'm
for me? Can you check her, please?
freaking fantastic.
You don't have anything on you, correct, ma'am?
Nah, but I my pants up and you talk about what?
Yep, we can't let you reach in your stuff right now. Keep your feet spread for me, dear.
No, my arms, I can't.
Okay. Hey, listen, you calm and cooperate and I'll fix your arms.
No, I can't. My
Here.
on big broke.
Okay, here.
I can't.
Let me straighten her arms for a second. Let me fix these. If you could be chill, we'll be chill with you.
It's hurting.
Let me fix them.
Cut this one off or something.
They're
Release it. Release it.
Stop that.
Goddamn, release him.
Yep, here, calm down.
Breathe.
Here, stand up straight. Okay, here.
I can't.
You know how you sit? Keep standing up straight. Take deep breaths.
I can't.
Good. Hold still so we can fix your cuffs.
Yeah,
We gotta fix your cuffs, dear.
Well, y'all arresting me?
Yes.
What?
Right now, you're arrested for obstruction of business, and also we'll talk about you trying to take an officer's taser off of him. That's also.
I was pushing him back.
Dear, you were grabbing onto my taser on my taser.
I wasn't yeah.
That's a felony, so we'll talk about that. Go ahead and take a seat, dear. Please. Yep, take a seat for me, dear.
Get in the car. No, can you move my face?
Take a seat. Here, stand up. You're an adult. Stand
Why
up.
would you push me?
Hey, take a seat.
Why would
Take a
you
seat.
push me?
Just take a seat.
Hold on.
Yep. Look, you're doing good. Good job. Go ahead and take that seat for me. We'll get everything done for you.
I never been in jail.
Lashonda Wilder and her girlfriend, Jonna Lowe, were both charged with murder, child endangerment, felonious assault, tampering with evidence, and abuse of a corpse, all connected to Martonio's tragic death. After her arrest, Jonna eventually broke. She admitted to detectives that she and Lashonda had completely fabricated the story about Martonio running away, using it to hide what had really happened. But they weren't the only ones facing consequences. Jonna's mother, Mary Johnson, was also arrested and charged with obstruction of justice. Jonna's bail was set at a staggering $1.25 million with strict conditions. No contact with Lashonda and no unsupervised contact with minors, including her own children. Lashonda's bail was even higher, set at $2 million. All three, Lashonda, Jonna, and Mary, were held at the Franklin County Jail as they awaited their fate. During the investigation, detectives revealed heartbreaking details. Jonna admitted that on June 26th, she and Lashonda had beaten Martonio using a crutch. She also confessed that the child had been subjected to repeated and disturbing punishments, including starvation and being locked inside a coat closet.
He just wanted to be loved. I'm telling you, that's all